So probably on a little more of the extensive one, this would be a little bit maybe more than a DIYer, but it'd be like kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, which you're talking, cabinets, countertops, new handles, all that. Oh, you could add handles if you don't have handles on your cabinet. That'd be a good thing to add value too, like poles and handles.
Yeah,
because some cabinets don't have that. That was just a little extra for you there.
well, and a lot of the ones that don't have that are those oak cabinets that were wildly popular in the 90s. And the great thing about those is, yes, most people think they're hideous, but they're rather easy to paint. Pull off the doors, just spray or use a super fine roller. Because if you brush it, you're going to be able to find you're going to be able to see those brush strokes, and use a high quality enamel paint. You're touching them all the time, and it will wear a lot more than your walls will, which will which are never touched. But yeah, so painting those and putting poles on makes a massive difference.
Yeah. So
it's a whole lot cheaper than trying to replace all your cabinets.
Yeah, especially with the go price out cabinets nowadays. They're getting and the oak, and this good material. They're solid wood, and they function very well. They just hold up because they're just built well.
Right.
The pro tip is probably like make sure you get the right paint so you don't end up doing it twice or being unhappy with the product when you're done. Do your homework on that.
There are specific cabinet paints or furniture paints, paints that are made to go on surfaces that are going to be used and touched often and wear, and
some of those just as they're built so you can just wipe the dirt off. Like if you have a spot where you always grab a cabinet or a door, you'll see that it's dirty just from the dirt that's on your hands from daily, stuff. And so a lot of those, the paints, you can wipe them off really easy.
Well, and also to that point, use a higher gloss paint as well. Don't try and don't use a flat, don't use chalkboard. Right, because food, especially in your kitchens, because food will stick to them, and it's just a nightmare to try and clean. So use a semi-gloss or a gloss paint.
Absolutely.